For this problem, we need to prove equation 33. So that is j nu plus 1 is equal to 2 nu over x times j nu minus j nu minus 1. So the way that I, at least, chose to go about this is actually starting with equation 32 here. So we have that d by dx of x to the power of negative nu, j nu, is equal to negative x to the power of negative nu, j nu plus 1. Or j nu plus 1 equals negative x to the power of it's going to be negative x